Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on repairing PDF files using PDF Fixer in Windows 11 or 10. We prefer to use PDF, portable document format, to share documents with our friends or coworkers. It is a well-known format, and one can easily open it on any platform, including Linux, iOS, Windows, and Android. All modern browsers, including Microsoft Edge, allow you to read a PDF file without installing software. In other words, if you are using Windows 10, you can directly open PDF documents using the Edge browser without installing a PDF reader, such as Acrobat or Adobe. Even Windows 11 and 10 comes with a built-in PDF printer that allows you to print OXPS and XPS documents to PDF. The latest version of Microsoft Office also allows you to convert the Word document to a PDF format. For this, you don't have to install software or add-on. The biggest advantage of using a PDF format is that it looks similar on all devices. Just like other formats, even PDF files may get corrupted. Using the PDF Fixer app, you can get your corrupted PDFs repaired. However, this free application does not allow you to save the recovered PDF. But it allows you to preview its contents. It helps you recover normal corrupted PDF format files and rebuilds the XREF tables. Other PDF repair software does not. Why PDF file gets corrupt? Most PDF data is compressed, and when we try to edit it with a text editor, the file gets corrupted or data offset. The PDF file may also lose its part during network transfer, resulting in damaged or corrupt files. A PDF reader program cannot open or repair those corrupt PDF files and may prompt a few error alerts. What is PDF Fixer? As the name suggests, PDF Fixer is a specially developed tool for repairing damaged or corrupted PDF files. It fixes all the broken parts of a PDF file, and then you can view them in PDF Reader software. It is a freeware utility that repairs corrupt PDF files by restructuring the damaged PDF data, rebuilding XREF tables, and then restoring these damaged PDF documents into readable PDF files. PDF Fixer comes in a portable format, and in size, it is less than 20 megabytes. That means you don't need to install it on your PC. You can use it to repair a PDF file by keeping it on an external drive. Simply connect the external HDD to the PC and run the PDF Fixer tool to start repairing your PDF files. The program is compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8/8.1, 10, Windows 11, 32-bit and 64-bit architecture, and server editions. How to repair PDF files using PDF Fixer in Windows 11 or 10. To repair PDF files using PDF Fixer on Windows 11 or 10, first, download the PDF Fixer from its official website. Link is provided in the video description. Then, install and launch it on your PC. Drag and drop the corrupt PDF file to its interface. Now, the application will repair the PDF file, and you can see the preview for the same. If you want, you can take a screenshot of your PDF file here. When you close the PDF file, PDF Fixer will show a message. Free version only allows you to preview the recovered content. If you want to save PDFs, please upgrade to the Pro version. Upgrade now? Just click the Cancel button and drag another PDF file to this application if you want to repair more files. Conclusion. PDF Fixer is a brilliant software to quickly and easily fix broken PDF files. Its interface is quite impressive, and limited options are available so that a beginner can also use it. Further, it is compatible with Windows XP to Windows 11, and also portable version is available. It works as advertised, and keeping a copy of this free utility is recommended. Goodbye. See you in the next video.